Welcome back. We're going to take a quick look at Ethereum coming in at number 2. So for Ethereum against BTC, we always have to look at both pairs, USD and BTC pairs. For Ethereum against BTC, we're expecting a consolidation over here, right? Yeah, we're kind of consolidating, but the question we have is how long, if this were to be a wave C, right? If this were to be an A, B, C, D, E kind of a chart pattern, the question we have is how long is the wave C? Is this the bottom of the wave C? We're not too sure. We're not too sure ourselves. Could we rally all the way back up from here? Sure, of course. Any clear signs of either bearish continuation or bullish reversal? No, it's not so clear. Not on the ETHBTC pair. I think it's going to take several more months if we were to have a proper consolidation. I mean, of course, we could get a cup and handle over here. Pew! And after that, we start rising for Ethereum against BTC. However, I don't see it yet. So, we gotta be very careful about Ethereum against BTC. Ethereum against USDT. Actually, Ethereum against USDT looks much cleaner. Let me tell you why. Right? We were saying Ethereum is going to hell. Right? We had a target over here at 666, and then Ethereum fell. We were wondering, will Ethereum drop down to 0.618, the level that we have here on the Fibonacci retracement? This was when? September the 26th, right? Today is 25th of October. It's already been one freaking month. And you know what happened? Ta-da! We actually hit 0.618. Okay, not here, but here. It's a bit curved. Yeah, so we've already hit 0.618. So it's amazing. It's amazing. We were saying like, it probably is gonna hit 0.618. Bam! And after that, it rose higher. Right? If you were to go into the small time frames, this is actually a mountain range, right? And we actually did fall lower. And this is potentially the completion of a 5-wave move, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta-da! And after that, potentially we could be reversing back up right now because, right? Okay, I'm just gonna zoom into the 4 hours, right? For Ethereum, I mean, of course, hindsight is always 2020, right? If you were to do it here, right, things were really bearish right here, and at this point of time, when we saw it, right, when it was happening, this was a mountain range which we broke down from. We retraced, we hit the resistance, and we continue stabbing towards the downside. So we were expecting potentially, a very big mountain range, right, to complete, and after that we head towards 666, right? The longer we drag out and the higher we go, the less likely we're going to be hitting 666. So this whole thing could be a chart pattern invalidation. Absolutely possible. I mean, Ethereum had a successful merge. So, I mean, things should be actually blasting off for Ethereum, but I think it's not blasting off. And I think it is a delayed blast off. I think eventually it will, but it is delayed. So, yeah, but anyway, once we've already completed the 5-wave move towards the downside, you're in chart replay mode. Do you want to exit this mode? Yes. Okay. So yeah, we actually fell from the mountain range, but then we rose back up, right? Once you see a rally back up, and you see the tops over here, about to be taken out, and you do things. Yeah, if you draw a, I can draw a resistance line over here, and you can see that suddenly this starts to look bullish, right? Left shoulders ahead and potentially a right shoulder completion, and then bam, we head towards 1588. We have a target here on the 25th of October, which is today, which if we have acquired 1588, probably around sub 1006. I think we're gonna overachieve the target of 1588. So yeah, I think more likely than not, this should be a move higher for Ethereum, an 18% move. Actually an 18% move. So this will be, pretty rewarding if it did happen. So yeah, but this is looking like a bullish reversal to me. If you were looking at the video which I have just previously did for Bitcoin, I don't see the bullish reversal. But for Ethereum, I see it. So I think potentially we could be heading towards 1006, sub 1006. So yeah, this could be a pretty rewarding trade if it is a 18% trade, and if you can get a stop loss of 3%. Yeah, this could be 5 RR. 3 to 3.6, under 3.6%. This would be 5 RR. So yeah, potentially this could be a very rewarding trade. I'll probably look into the smaller time frames with the boys in person later. I could actually see myself. Yeah, and I could post it in the Discord. Anyway, yeah, so I think Ethereum could be headed higher for 1,600. Ta-da! Targets acquired. BTC pair is not really that clear yet, but USD pair is starting to look a lot like Christmas. Yeah, but anyway, we are still under the skinny pink line, so I think even if we were to head towards 1,006, right, the skinny pink line will probably be coming down. We'll probably see some sort of a resistance at the skinny pink line. We might drop a little bit before we break higher. Bullish case. This is a bullish case. I can't see that far because you know what could happen? We actually could hit 1588, maybe sub 1,006, or maybe around 1,006. We could still come back down. We could still get a bearish chart pattern over here, and we could still hit lower. That's still a possibility. So I can't see that far yet. The furthest that we could see is actually 1,006. So we're gonna stick to 1,006, and we're gonna take things one step at a time. Alright, I guess that's it for Ethereum's technical analysis. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!